on Big Bennett TV with me, Trisha, and your famous.
And today we're gonna be doing some pumpkin
Cut me off.
special because it's the Halloween season, and I haven't carved a pumpkin in a really long time. Trish never carved a pumpkin before.
That's not true.
So let's carve some pumpkins. What do you got in store for us, Trish?
Well, I thought you were doing it now because you took it over. But anyways, I already cut off my top because I was impatient. But that's what you gotta do now. You gotta cut off your little top.
Well, I was thinking the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carve the face on a pumpkin.
No, you need...
Now what you wanna do first is you wanna find a really good spot. You just spin it like this, and then you put your finger right where you want to cut it.
Don't you need...
So right here.
Don't you need to cut off...
That's right where we're going to spin it and cut it is right here.
Listen.
What?
Don't you need to cut off the top and take the stuff out before you carve it?
You can do it whatever way you want. So
Okay.
since you cut your top off, that's the route you're going.
That's what I'm doing.
I'm going without cutting the top off first. And while Trisha's doing that, I'm going to get a nice stencil. So we got plenty to choose from. We got Scary Skull. We got Boo. I want something that'll really scare you guys.
Spider?
Trish, watch what you're doing.
I am. Getting all these seeds out.
I don't know. I mean, and these ones are from the dollar store.
I'm using my super goop scoop. It's working well.
Alright, I've came up with what we're going to be doing today. What we're going to be doing today is this.
The witch?
It's going to look just like this. Just like that. So good.
All right, I got all my seeds out. Yeah. Looks great.
What are you gonna do with the seeds after?
Well, you like to bake them, so that's what we're gonna do. Look, and it's still got the top. Take it off, and you put a candle in there. That's what we didn't get, was candles. All right, and then this is the stencil that I'm going to be doing. It's a scary ghost, and it says boo! Woo!
Trish, you're not scaring anybody.
Don't laugh at me, yeah.
Comment down below if Trish scared you, because she didn't. You gotta make sure that when you're cutting these stencils out, it's precision. I feel like I'm on that show, like TLC Pumpkin Carving Wars, and like, you're my competition right now, and I'm like behind in the game, but the thing is, it's all about one thing.
What?
That's the outcome.
What, do you think mine's gonna look bad?
I never said anything, I just said, depends on, it's not about how fast you are in this.
I'm not trying to be fast, I'm just trying to do.
She's not trying to be fast, she's just trying to do. So now, I got my nice little witch. I'm gonna put it right on here, trace around it. We're gonna cut her up good. And there we have it, guys. All done with the stencil. So we're gonna cut her right now. Oh, I just smudged all of my freaking stuff. I'm gonna use this one because this is the precision bit. Still doing a really good job with her pumpkin.
I'm not, I broke off my pieces, but I'm gonna pretend like it was supposed to be like that and I'll fix it up.
With what?
Fix it somehow.
Well, I guess that's that, guys.
Well, you gotta take it out.
I know.
Oh, you can't.
Now I'm gonna make a nice big hole in the top so that it's easy to scoop out all the goodies. So you just want to go around, just like you're scalping someone's head.
You just scalp their head on the top?
Just like that, guys, and then the scalp comes right off the top like this. Yeah. Oh. What do you do that for?
So give it to you so you can put your stuff in it.
Okay. And then this I just cut. Wait. This I just cut right off. No need to even try and scrape that off. Oh. So we got a nice little top here. Loads of seeds. You could grow so many pumpkins with these seeds. And then you take this and you just go like this. Or maybe you push, yeah, you push it out. It's like this. Comes out all in one piece. Sometimes you can't get it all out. Sometimes you can. So mine's done. I'm just gonna wait for Trish, and while I'm waiting for Trish, I'm gonna put these seeds on a pan.
He cheated.
You always want to make sure you use some alkyd aluminum. Spray it with Pam Original. And then pretty much just strain out all the seeds from the gooey ooeys. The seeds are what they make pumpkin spice out of. So if you guys ever do pumpkins yourself, save the seeds and you can grind them up, and that's what they make pumpkin spice out of. This is like the best part about carving a pumpkin, is cooking the seeds and eating them. You want to make sure there's not too much slime. Just get off as much slime as you can, because you just want the seeds.
Probably wash them.
Why?
Get off the extra slime.
No, we don't need that. We don't need to be that thorough.
Yeah, so this is mine. We need to get like candles so we can put in. Do we have candles here?
We might have testers.
Yeah, so we can put in. The only downfall with mine is that the bee kind of messed up, but that's all right. I'm not a professional pumpkin carver.
This is all my seeds I got here. I'm gonna crack up some salt, put them on them, and put them in the oven. I don't really know much about how to cook these seeds, but I'd say you want to make sure you cook them low and slow. So 350 for about 30 minutes, and we'll see what we got then. Now I got my favorite salt. I'm gonna crack it on there. It's all gonna bake off.
You have way more seeds.
I know, but I told you weren't even listening to me. I was explaining to everybody that I put enough in here for my liking.
Well, what about me and your dad and your mom?
There's more. So we're gonna get back at it soon as these are cooked. I'm gonna show you. Boom! All right, guys. So I just got it out. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And boom. Wow. They look really good. Let's go ahead and try one. I'm gonna try this one that's got like all clusters of them.
Ooh, watch out, watch out, watch out.
And let's see. Wow, guys. Best part about carving a pumpkin is eating those seeds. But I heard that
you guys want to see our pumpkin?
I heard not to eat those too much because it can cut your intestines and stuff because of the sharp shells. What's going on, Trish?
I'm gonna turn off the light and you're gonna come back here and show them our pumpkins.
Okay.
Whoa, they look awesome.
Dun dun dun. Wow, mine doesn't look that good.
It does from afar. It's just because you didn't clean up on the inside. If you back up, it looks good. See?
Wow.
Peter, come look at our pumpkins. You don't see mine. Oh.
Bum bum bum. Okay.
Cool.
So
I
I want you guys. I want you guys to vote down below. Whose pumpkin do you guys think is the best? Mine or Trish? And what way would you guys go? Would you go Trisha's way of making hers, or would you go my way of how I made mine? So we carved some pumpkins, we ate the seeds, we had a goody good. Make sure you guys have gone trick-or-treating. Have a good time. Trish, what do you want to say to them?
Have a good day.
That was gay. But I'll see you guys.
Don't say that word. You're gonna have a bunch of haters on you.
But that was dumb. So I'll see you
in the next one. Peace. Wait, you gotta do the peace sign. Peace.
Peace.